Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the lesson number 2 on the Arabic alphabet. So, the next harf or letter is Ra, Ra, Ra. Ra, I'm using the tip of the tongue, but is touching the gum of the upper front teeth. Remember, the tip of the gum is touching the gum of the upper front teeth. Ra, ra, ra. The next one is za, za, za. Okay, this one here is coming from this position. So the tip of the tongue is touching the bottom of the front teeth. Okay, and there is three letters are coming from, or three huruf are coming from the same position. So one of them is za, za, za. The next one is sin. Sin, same position as za. So again, the tip of the tongue is touching the bottom front teeth. Sin, sin, sin. The next one, sheen, sheen, sheen. This one is coming from the middle of the tongue, is getting closer to the roof of the mouth. So it's the middle of the tongue. There is always a space between the tongue and the roof of the mouth. Sheen, sheen, sheen. The next one is sad, sad, sad. So remember, za, sin, and sad, same position. The tip of the tongue is touching the bottom of the teeth. Sad, sad, sad. This is one of the hardest one in the Arabic language. Dad, dad, dad. This one is coming from the edge of the tongue. So if this is the tongue, this one is coming from here, the edge of the tongue, and is touching the roof of the mouth closer to the teeth, this part in here. So here is where you put the pressure. Don't put the pressure in here a lot, because if you do, you will end up with dhal. No, it's dad, dad, dad. So again, it's the edge of the tongue. You might not see it, but if you pay attention, you will see that that the edge of the tongue is touching the upper, is touching the roof of your mouth, and you put the pressure on this spot in here. Dad, dad, dad. Next one is ta, ta, ta. So ta is the tip of the tongue is touching again the gum behind the front teeth. Ta, 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 or you can say also ta, ta, ta. Okay, this one here, the, one of the biggest mistake is people, they mix this with the dad. Okay, so this one, the it's the tip of the tongue is in between the upper and lower front teeth. just same position if you want to say ذال. Okay, so ظاء 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 عين عين عين. Same position as ha. It's in the middle of the throat. Same position as ha. 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 So عين عين عين. The last one is غين غين غين. This one is coming from the upper part of the throat, same as خ. غين غين غين. So repeat after me. راء راء راء. ظاء ظاء ظاء. Also this one, if you some of the people they say zai, which is correct, zai. So either za like ra or zai. Seen seen seen. Sheen sheen sheen. صاد صاد صاد. ضاد ضاد ضاد. طاء طاء طاء. Remember, صاد, za, and sin, same position. ظاء ظاء ظاء. عين عين عين. غين غين غين. See you guys in the next video.